Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to change your Discord email without access to your old email. This is useful if you've lost access or your old email is no longer active. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC or mobile device and log in. Next, go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon near your username. Then, select My Account Edit next to your email address. Since you don't have access to the old email, click Need Help or Contact Support. Now, fill out the support form with your account details, including your username, tag, and proof of identity if requested. Explain that you need to change your email because you no longer have access to the old one. After submitting the request, wait for Discord support to verify your information. Once approved, you'll receive a link to update your email to a new one. Finally, confirm your new email by checking your inbox and verifying through Discord. That's it. Changing your Discord email without access to the old one is straightforward when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.